Who's been driven to drink so far? I have. I got that from Rachel, Nevada, just outside Area 51. That's right, the little alien inn. It's a little aliened. You never know what you're gonna find here in Nevada. It's been that kind of summer, hasn't it, boys and girls? Yeah, let's get this out of the way. Here's to the end of 2020. Ah. 702 from Las Vegas, two boys and girls coming back at ya. Happy 2020. No, it's not. Shed a tear. What a horrible year for travel, ladies and gentlemen. This has been tough. Hope everyone's being safe out there. But in this video, I'm bringing another casino that's recently opened up after the CV-19 shutdown. And today, we're walking through the Wynn Casino. That's right. Gonna show you the steps that this casino is undertaking to slow the spread of COVID-19. We are open. We are safe, boys and girls. Come visit us. Have a good time. Get away from home. I know it's been a tough 6 months, it seems like now. I think it has been 6 months, maybe 5 months. Holy crap. It's been a rough summer, boys and girls, but Vegas is back open. Let's get to the video.
When you say you feel low and good things are hard to see, when you pray to find love, I know somewhere we could be. There's a place where we can go tonight. The rhythm will make it right, where everyone is happy and the sun will shine all night. We could have a good time, let everybody sing. Why don't you let yourself slip out of control? We could have a good time, let everybody sing, and get your feet up on the floor.
Here you are walking into the front entrance. This is the main entrance off Las Vegas Boulevard to the Wynn Casino. And right away you see something different right here. Wynn Casino, they have you walk through a temperature checking station. You can see right there, I caught a glimpse of it. He really didn't want me to record that, so I had to quickly move on. But I wanted definitely to give you a look at what that looked like. So here I walking through the atrium. Wynn Casino, very beautiful casino. This is how it's decorated right now. Sun shining in, beautiful colors right there. Just walking around the front of the entrance right here. The concept for the Wynn was conceived in August of 2001, and under construction, it was originally named Le Rêve, or The Dream. However, in June of 2003, Steve decided to change the name to simply Wynn. The Wynn opened April 28, 2005. The Wynn was built on the former grounds of the Desert Inn. Two separate implosions. I attended both of those and they were spectacular. The first part, the main part of Desert Inn, was imploded October 23rd, 2001, and then the rest of it came down November 17th, 2004. Construction of the Wynn cost $2.7 billion. It stands 45 stories tall. That equates to about 614 feet tall, and it consists of 2,455 rooms. When it opened, the Wynn was the tallest casino in Las Vegas, but that lasted only for 2 years. Of course, the tallest structure in Las Vegas is the Stratosphere. However, that part of the Stratosphere is not a hotel or casino. It's just a tower with an observation deck, and that is 1,150 feet, built in 1996. Of course, Fontainebleau at 735. The Palazzo that just opened in 2007 stands at 642 now. Of course, Trump Hotel International is at 640. So Wynn currently stands at number 6 on the tallest list, and that's about to change. And there's news now that the Circa, opening at the end of 2020 on Fremont Street, might change all those rankings. It is going to be one of the tallest buildings on the Las Vegas Strip, or Fremont Street, which is north of Las Vegas. Like other Vegas casinos, the Wynn is practicing social distance on their slot machines. I will say I didn't see quite as many blacked out machines here as I did at the Bellagio, but I think you'll see that some seats are missing in an effort to keep people from sitting too close to each other. I saw some, maybe 2 machines open, but only 1 seat, so they are giving you the option to choose which game you want. Here you see a hand sanitizing station on the right. I would have liked to seen maybe more of those there. They could use more of them in my estimation. So walking around, you'll see it's not too busy. Again, all Vegas casinos are trying to keep a 50% occupancy or 50% max participants. It is required to wear a mask in the casino now as well. That was mandated by our governor, Steve Sisolak, and has been that way for several weeks now. We don't see that changing anytime soon. Matter of fact, bars in the casinos are still closed. You cannot sit at the bar. You can, and some bars, not all, purchase a drink and take it onto the casino floor, or sit, of course, at a gaming table and order free drinks. I will say, walking around these casinos, I think it's best just keep your mask on, wash your hands whenever you can. Here we are walking on the edges of the casino. We have our stores and restaurants to the left. We have some gaming tables to the right. And you can see right there the partitions up there to try and keep the participants away from each other, and even one keeping the dealer away from you guys. Here are coming up some craps tables. Had to be a little discreet here. They kind of don't like you recording the gaming area, so I'm sorry if I'm just kind of brushing these sides of these tables. I just want to give you a little showing of what's happening here, but don't want to draw too much attention to myself. So as you can see, not terribly busy. I will say this was a weekday, so we're not talking the weekends. I think Vegas, in the first few weeks that we reopened, has been pretty busy, but it has been calming down a little bit. I think tourism has slowed down a little bit. Vegas was the place to go over July 4th weekend. Here we are several weeks later. Our coronavirus cases have begun to rise, and the governor has taken some additional steps to try and slow that spread. Here we're coming up in the brand new Charlie's. That's right, this is a kind of a gaming bar, American food, near the sports betting area. They are open, again, social distancing, tables 6 feet apart. Leaving the game area, we're going to head towards the shopping. Gentlemen, if you have a lady friend, your wife, your girlfriend loves to shop, keep her away from this area. A lot of high-end shops in the Wynn Casino. Of course, EBC, that is Encore Beach Club, those are still not open at this time. Heading down the halls, we are approaching the Wynn Theater, home of Le Rêve, The Dream, one of the best shows in Las Vegas, in my opinion. I've seen it several times. Of course, all shows are still shut down at this time, so keep that in mind. No shows, no entertainment, no comedy shows, nothing like that. All small theaters are closed at this time as we practice social distancing. Here I kind of walking the halls in the Wynn Esplanade shops. A lot of high-end shops right there. This leads to the Encore Casino. Of course, Wynn and Encore are sister properties. I will cover the Encore in another video. This one is just dedicated to the Wynn and shopping. Coming up right here is XS. And if you've ever been to the XS nightclub, you recognize this area. Always full on the nights, the weekend nights. Lines everywhere trying to get in. This is Club XS. Over 40,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor bar space, dance floors. It also has, interesting enough, over 10,000 individual lights. It's an amazing space. You can do gaming out there poolside as well. So, in the evenings, come check out XS. Now the pools are open. They are just not party pools anymore. No DJs. I think there is piped in music. You can get service, bottle service. But social distance. It's not a party atmosphere. These are just the pools. Of course, Vegas in the summertime is very warm. So the pools are open, just no parties at this time. We are about entering the XS part of the casino right now, but I'm going to jump over this. We're going to take the other hallway back through the Esplanade shops, and this is coming back into Wynn Casino. Just re-seeing everything we did. Again, this is a different hallway. So there's a hallway in and a hallway out, two different areas. But we're coming back into the Wynn Casino right here, Allegro restaurant. And we're approaching the brand new Plaza Shops. This just opened up in, I think, November of 2018. And some beautiful shopping right here. Beautiful area. Tons of natural light. Stepping down to the first floor. First time I ever walked through here, and I was really impressed. Very nice. Some high-end shops like Balmain, Celine, Catan, or Stella McCartney. And coming up on this little courtyard area. Still under construction in some areas. Hasn't fully opened yet, but found it nice just to get out of the casino, do a little walk. Do some beautiful things. Found this to be pretty cool. Reaching the end of the Plaza Shops. Going to go up the escalator to the second floor. Tell you what, Wynn has some amazing dining as well. So some good food definitely come to the Wynn. A lot of Italian restaurants. Restaurants like Cipriani's Italian. We also have Costa di Mare, executive chef Mark LaRusso. Mizumi Japanese cuisine, the buffet, which features 15 live auction cooking stations. Lakeside, which is along the lake on the front of the casino near where Trist used to be. Beautiful place. La Cave, a wine bar, and what's featuring modern cuisine. Charlie's Bar and Grill, which you saw earlier. Also SW, Great American Steakhouse. Wing Lei Chinese, featuring Cantonese, Shanghai, and Szechuan flavors. Check this place, AV, kind of a retro place. I picked up myself a really cool hat here. Kind of liked it. I think they're based out of California. Had fun, and heading back. 702 from Las Vegas to you, David, boys and girls. Want to thank you for joining me on this tour of the Wynn Casino, reopened once again in Las Vegas, summer of 2020. But I want to thank you for your love and support for my channel. If you haven't hit that subscription button, please do that for me. I'm working hard to bring you relative travel content so you can make educated decisions as you plan out your vacations. Make sure you check out my playlist for Las Vegas hotels as I review other properties on the Strip. If you have any questions about where to stay in Las Vegas, hopefully some of my videos will give you great content to help you make great decisions when you make your travel plans.